So based on our Google Sheet, so how we are running our advanced option strategy. So it's a tool for helping to find out the trades based on our advanced option strategy concepts. So the month of May, so we are nearing to that expiry. So already based on our concepts, we are closing our monthly positional by 24th. That is prior to the expiry week. So the next week, the coming week is the expiry. So 30th of this May should be the monthly expiry on stock options. So we are already finding a lot of opportunities for this month. So based on our advanced option strategy concepts, it's nothing but simply we have to find out some 3 to 4 stocks per a month. How we simply finding out without any charts and indicators. That is what our advanced option strategy. And this is a tool where we are using to find out the trades based on the concept. So a lot of opportunities and a lot of trades which triggers our target and then came down. So based on the concepts, almost 19 stocks at this moment we are seeing there is a upside move. And some stocks like a PFC and RUC that was given in the first week itself our target and then it came down. So now it is trading almost again to that our entry point. So more than our entry point. So let me show you that right example in PFC. So let me check that. So PFC strike price 440 call option and the currently the stock which is trading near about 491. So based on the concepts, we find the entry on the first of this month. So after that, the stock given you the target and then it came down. So now it is trading near about 25% from our entry point. So let me check that particular strike price. And using our Google Sheet, we are looking for an intraday breakout with the Camarilla R4 also. But that we are discussing many videos. And this is what a monthly concept. So we are looking for PFC 440, how that trades. So where you can see here is the first time entry and this time it went up to 53. And here again a second time entry, maybe a re-entry and this time again it went up to. So but we are not focusing the trade because it is an already targeted trade. So because this happened on the 2nd May. 2nd May itself we got an opportunity and then it went up to 53. So almost our target is achieved. Okay, then it came down almost to 6 rupees. From 6 rupees again it went up to 59 rupees. We don't following the stocks because we done it. But if we are using our hedging strategy, maybe this point we will be in a less loss also. So like 2.1, 3.2 or some other future options or FO strategies, something like that. If you have used it, so it may be a profitable trade or even a SBB strategy would be a very profitable at this moment. While even if the stock after our entry goes down also, but it was already target done. So second time entry that was moving higher. So those are some of the stocks already achieved our target. And meanwhile, so we have a lot of stocks in a put side. I think 15 stocks where it is triggers our target in the first 15 days before. And now we have a lot of calls. So it just depends on the market conditions. So, but we have to find some 3 to 4 stocks. So, and we given you some ideas and Voltas, Titan that is also given you a target input side. So based on our monthly IV sheet, we are giving you some stocks which we are looking for the month of May. And this sheet would going to update on the 31st of the May only. Okay. So monthly once we are updating the sheet. So some of the stocks like you can see Titan, Voltas, already we discussed about the stocks which triggers our target in a downside, that means a put side. And some stocks like JSW Steel and Ashok Leyland and TVS Motor and Federal Bank. So these are all the looking for a upside and that was giving you some target also. So look at this Bata, sorry, it is a Britannia. Some other stocks which I'm seeing with our Google Sheet. LIC also moved well and UBL would be there in the list. So I think also based on our logic which we are selecting some stocks on the day one itself. So this is the stock selection which I have done on the 1st of or 30th of April or 31st of April, whatever the last trading session and the day we are which you are mentioning. And some of the stock like JSW Steel, whether it has came, there is no opportunity. But if there is no opportunity, we are not looking for and Godrej Properties. Let me check this. That is also not given you an opportunity. And Bata India, sorry, yeah, Bata India, I think it is given put side or call side. So no trades both the sides. And ONGC. So these are all the stocks which I have selected. From that, we are looking for some 3 to 4 stocks. That's good enough. So that is also achieved our target in put side, like M&M, it was moving upside. Let me check M&M. Yeah, M&M is the one of the trade based on our selection in the beginning of the month, which you have selected, and that was a huge move from that list to 160 call option from 149 that went up to 455. So we can't wait that much of target. We have a specified target and stop loss for the trade, but if you are edged to trade, so we can trial our target also, something like OTM options also we can look for. And Escort is the one more stock from the list, and that was be there here. Escort that has also achieved our target more than what we have expected. That moves. Okay, so almost 19 stocks in the call side this month based on our advanced option strategy, and we are looking for a 3 to 4 stocks. How do we select that? We are learning on our paid session and advanced option strategy course. Same concept which you are using for in weekly options. So last week we have many stocks, but some stocks which is triggered earlier because of Saturday market. So we are following and planning with the Friday based market only. Okay. So an intraday, it's well, intraday is based on the Cambrilla R4 breakout. Only a fresh breakout after 9:30. So we are looking for example, TVS Motor 2180 call option. I'm just looking for a breakout on based on the Camarilla pivot point. TVS 2180 call option. Let me check whether it is a perfect breakout. Yeah. So here the first candle, it's not broken, then the valid breakout, and the breakout which is happening around 11:45. It is a breakout trade which triggers our breakout point. From 43, it went up to near about 82. Maybe if I'm just keeping a stop loss based on pivot, okay, almost 11 rupees is the stop loss, and it went up to near about 39, almost 1 is to 4. That strike price went. So we need to find out only a fresh breakout. And based on monthly sheet, so we have almost 4 to 5 stocks, more than 5 stocks which is triggered, and Petronet on monthly. I was checking that Petronet. Yeah, sorry, Petronet. I think it is not triggered any of the sites. So only few stocks among those 15 which we have selected for the month of May. So almost six, I think 5 to 6 stocks which is triggered. Okay, so here based on R4 also we have a lot of stocks triggered on Friday because I've just not well, so that's why I not made videos on recent 3 4 days, I think. Okay, so no problem. I'll be continuing that to making a videos on regular basis. And thank you for supporting my channel. And now, so for next week, so that means 27 to 30th, and the weekly trade is up to 27 to 31st, but the expiry is happening on 30th. So next 4 days we are going to update for a weekly positional sheet as well as intraday. Monthly will not be changed, and monthly sheet is going to be started updating on 1st of every month. So up to the expiry week, so we are not making any new positional trades. If you are taking a trades on expiry week, so we have to pay physical delivery margin. So that should be greater than the normal margin. It is higher than some of the trades. They are asking 1,80,000, 75,000, something like that. Even the premium is around the 10,000, 15,000. You have to pay, margin is high, and also liquidity would be poor. So that's why we are not planning any trades on the expiry week. But as per this sheet, we are going to update. But some of the brokers are allowing to take a trades on intraday basis. Okay, that intraday is nothing about R4 breakout. So if your broker is allowing to take a trade, so you can make use of it. But most probably we are not telling to take a trade opportunities on the expiry week. So the logic and reason is low liquidity, and also the thing which you are looking at on expiry week is high margin. So that thing, so we are simply ignoring, but as per the concept, so this month also we are succeeding and having a good number of profit based on our concept. So if you want to learn more about advanced option strategy, the link available in the description, or if you want to one-to-one sessions also, you can just ping me on the WhatsApp, the number shown on this description. And more about our intraday scanner. This is about an intraday scanner on R4 breakout. That is what to find out 2 to 3 trade opportunities based on our concept. Okay, that is the main logic which you are using for Google Sheet. But the strategy, advanced option strategy, we don't need this sheet also. But if you are having the sheet, that would be even powerful. So just I'm going to update for the sheet for the next week from 27th to 30th. and 31st would be a 1 day which we are looking for a 1 day trade, and then you will be getting the June contract also going to be updated based on the concept. So now I'm just going to update the sheet for the next week contract. Just wait on the line. So I'm just going to add this all the details, so that would be helping you to find out the new opportunity based on the concept which you have learned on our session. And if you want, just wait, we are going to update the sheet. The last closing price 24th. Monthly sheet is going to updated monthly once. Okay, so weekly sheet is updated weekly once, and intraday sheet is going to be updated daily. It is based on the Cambrilla R4 breakout. I hope you understood. Let me try to update. And if any stocks which is showing you the entry point or a greater than entry point before updating, so that was not a liquid one. So if you have understood that concept, so you can utilize it. And how to use our Google Sheet also, the videos which are available in the descriptions if you want to know how to use the Google Sheet, and if you want to get that, so it is a paid version available, so you can also get it from me. And you need to, before that, you need to understand how to use it. So if you feel satisfied, then you can get it from us. Okay, so let me wait for an update weekly. Yeah. Okay. Okay. So weekly sheet is updated right now. So as of now, so the no stock is nearing to that 100 percentage. Maybe expiry week we are not looking for, but if your study purpose, you can just look at this tomorrow. And if any stocks which is nearing to that 100, that is what our it is. If it is reached 100, that is going to give you the breakout. Okay, that means it is triggering our breakout level. Okay, monthly position still there is no change, but as per our monthly positional concepts, we are closing that month of May. Okay, and intraday, so some of the stocks is showing you exactly 100%. That means the stocks are not liquid. And also we have added additional things on this particular weekly sheet. So what it does means simply that the sheet will be refreshed after 9:30. Those stocks which is already triggered our entry point in the first candle, that would be removed from the list. So after that, you should easily find out a fresh breakout opportunities based on the concept which you are using for a intraday breakout. Is nothing about Camarilla R4. Okay, so let me check you for some example. Torrent Pharma, sorry, PEL 820. That was not a liquid. PEL 820. So if you are seeing that, it may be not traded. Okay, you can see previously there is no trade, and recently yesterday also, that means last trading session also, there is no trade, and this option is quite not liquid. So that's why it is showing you here exactly 100. And same thing, Torrent Pharma also, maybe Zeal also, maybe not liquid 152.5. That particular strike price, put side, you can see there is no trade. That is almost closing is 3.05 that we are mentioning here, LTP, but that is a no trade happened. So that's why it's showing you exactly 100%. So no problem. So this stock would be removed after 9:30. That means exactly after 9:30 it will be removed, and after 9:30 the stock which is triggering our entry point, that we can look for an opportunity. And monthly positional, I hope you understood, those my students who are already finished our strategy, you know very well how to use it. And weekly also based on the concept of monthly positional, and that is for to find an opportunity for weekly. And this weekly sheet, let's look for 27 to 31st, and intraday is on 24th data. So I hope you understood the concept, and thank you for watching. And if you have any questions or doubt, just comment on the comment box. And if you have any inquiries, just ping me on my WhatsApp number which shown on this video, are available in description. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching this.